This is the incision gateway to safety. Sir, there is nil financial interest, but they should help us for the conference. The parts, if you see, there are the parts of the incision, that is a size, that is in the length of the tunnel, width, then the depth, location, entry into the antechamber, and shape. So this is the length what we say, then this is the depth, width, and whenever we are doing, it should be a scleral, 2/3 of the scleral thickness. And the always corneal, yes, they are now they are doing entry. It is very important. It should be in the cornea. And now see, there are so many developments in the tunnel. You can say smile, frown, Blumenthal, straight, chevron. They, so many tunnels are there. And in that, see, internal incision is important. Here it is external incision, and you can see the internal incision. See, internal incision should be in the cornea 1 to 1.5 millimeter, and that is very important. Now you see the first incision and the second incision, the plane, the entry and the exit, they are parallel to each other. Now here the can see the tunnel, the sclerocorneal tunnel incision at least 1 to 2 millimeter into the clear cornea. So important. Half of the thickness, that is whenever you are going in the sclera, and then the knife should be always, you can say, whenever you are passing, the knife should be in the same plane. Now see here again, I'm doing the tunnel here. Can you see the knife how it is going? So these are the extensions I am doing. This is a modified tunnel I do. Here you will see whenever I am going inside, first the plane is mapped. I map a plane, and then I go for the both eye. These pockets are important because the external incision is, I now see whenever I go in, cut. Whenever go in, cut, so that you can cut the cornea inside, and that is very, very important whenever you are making the tunnel. Now this is the another case I am showing you. Now in this case you can see the conjunctiva. Here you will see the conjunctiva, and I think you might have now understood the surgeon is not me, but surgeon is Ragini. This is a left-handed surgeon. And whenever we are completing this, see here, again, the tunnel extension on both the sides. Here you can see, this is very, very important whenever you are making. And now see here, the second technique I am showing, the tunnel here, the plane C is going in the same plane, and you see this. So this plane is very, very important whenever you are doing the tunnel, see here. And then gradually you go in the cornea, and then you see this in the cornea, and you can enter in the cornea. So now see what happens whenever there is a scleral effect. Scleral incision induces against the rule astigmatism and flattening of the vertical meridian, and also the steepening of the horizontal meridian. And so that affects the this one. Size of the incision in initial cases should be as per the grade nucleus. So it's a soft, hard, or the black cataract. Now see here, what I am doing is, on the one side it is a mature cataract, and other side it is a immature cataract. When we are doing the mature, this is the intumescent one. Here, the size of the incision is very, very important. And now you see again here, the pockets. I'm making proper pockets. See here, the pockets are important. And see, the both side. Now here again you will see incision in the, when it is a immature one, you will see the incision is near about 5 or less than 5. But here I have made the 5.5 millimeter incision on the left side of the cataract. So whenever we are doing two type cataracts, so whenever we are taking the incision, we must see that what type of cataract we are doing. So extension of internal incision is very, very important. Now see here, the what I am doing is removing the lens, and can you see the, whenever I am removing, here you will see the nucleus is not coming because the internal incision, see, always the engagement of the nucleus in the tunnel is more important. And if that internal incision is not large enough, that is not 7 millimeter, then such type of hard nucleus doesn't come out. Again, you see now, I have not extended external incision at all, but just extension of the internal incision, the nucleus is coming out. So now see here, this is very, very important whenever you are doing the such type of hard cataract. Now you can see this. I'm doing the another, you can say hypermature cataract here. And in that also, whenever I'm doing, see, the tunnel is same, but the tunnel which was now here, you can see slightly larger tunnel, because though this is a cataract which is a cortical cataract, but because of hypermaturity, this type of lens becomes harder one. And to express this with the hydro expression is difficult. So I will advise to the, you can say beginners, they can use visco in addition to the this one, or they can remove this lens with the visco expression, and that can help them. So that is what is very, very important whenever you are doing the such type of cataract, or you can say such the cataract. So the take home message is, important thing is construct proper wound. It's very, very important. So proper wound, then choose the best technique in your hand. Whatever the technique in your hand is best, you should do that. Then the customize your tunnel. You must customize your tunnel by the experience. SICS can be a premium surgery if combined with the correct technology and technique. Because we might have done more than 85,000 SICS surgery, and we know that if we do this, there is always a success. And thank you very much.